Hi, I'm Katie, and this is my portfolio, starting off with Project 1. I actually did two versions of it. The first one was inspired by Underwater, and I really liked the squiggle design, so I just went with it. And that's when we had to tile it. And for this piece, I really just like the idea of playing around with how transparent and opaque the different squares were. It kind of gave it like a cool effect. And for my other version of it, I kind of made this neon mess, which I really like. I think it looks like a print from the 80s or something you would find on a Dixie cup. And for this part, I made it kind of go from the most opaquency to the least, and then put a really bold color here so that way it would really pop. Here's Project 2. As you can see, it's my self-portrait. Something I would have liked to do more is get the shading on the face better. I did a lot of it on the tablets and didn't spend enough time looking back at the computer, and I feel like it really shows. However, I did really like how the filters came out. I felt like this looked like a psychedelic album cover. And for this piece, the collage, I was kind of inspired by those old school posters that you would see in middle school. It says read more and would have Shaq on it, but this one kind of almost looks like a type of beware who you're talking to online kind of thing. I mean, I tried to make this look like an iPad. My flamingo project, this is probably my favorite one that I did this semester. I was really inspired by kind of like a Florida-y theme. You can probably tell from the colors and the composition. Project 5, as you can see, the mirror frame is the closest thing to us, so that's where the lines are going to be the thickest. That tree in the reflection of the mirror, like the first one, that's the second biggest, and the one behind that is the third biggest, and then all the way in the background, that tree is the fourth biggest. And this is with the colors added, so the ones up front, tried to make them like a little more vibrant, and the ones in the back, I tried to make them a little more earth tone. For this project, we were supposed to do our experience during coronavirus. Unfortunately, my uncle passed away, and when that happened, apparently there was a lot of conflict in the family over money. As you can see, there's one person who all they have on their mind is money. They're yelling, and the other person's heart is just broken. And, yep.